Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about abstract classes, interfaces, the differences, and their implementation. So let's get started. This is our console project and this is a program.cs class. But before we do anything in this class, let's create some let's create a abstract class and let's name it as vehicle. Now, since this is an abstract class, I'm gonna mark it as abstract. Now, for a class to be abstract, it needs to have at least one method which is abstract. So I'm going to declare one method. And since it's a vehicle, I would say accelerate. Okay. Uh, there's an error here because if we have an abstract method, it should not have the body here. So that is how a normal method is different from an abstract method. Okay. Can we have a non-abstract method in this class? Yes. So the minimum criteria is we need to have at least one abstract method. Apart from that, we can have any number of normal methods as well. But we will consider another abstract method called break. Okay. Uh, Now we'll create a couple of more classes. Let's create a class called truck.cs. Let's just and let us derived from vehicle. Now, see, when a class is derived from vehicle, this needs to have the properties that are marked as abstract. So, since vehicle is abstract, we need to implement the methods that are marked as abstract. So we create those method here, public, and since we are overriding them, I'll use the word override and then accelerate. Similarly, public, override, and there'll be a break. Now I'm gonna say console.writeLine truck accelerates, and similarly truck apply brakes. We'll create another class, but similar. I'll copy the code and let us name this one as car. I'll just paste the same code. Just change truck to car. Okay, so now we have a vehicle class, which is an abstract class, and there are two child classes, car and truck, which are implementing that class. Okay, so this is how the abstraction works. But now let us, there's a requirement change here. A car can now be an electric as well. So if I add a class as electric here, okay, and if I just say this car implements electric as well. So we are not allowed multiple inheritance in C sharp. So we cannot have more than one base classes for a class. Similarly, if I add a property here, its name as public abstract charge, then I need to have that property in truck as well. So this won't fulfill our requirement because we don't have electric truck, we only have electric car. So overcome this issue, we create one interface. And I'm going to name it I electric. And within this, I'm going to create public void class. Now in interfaces, all the methods are abstract. That is, we don't need to uh, define any uh, define the method here. Also, wherever uh, this interface is being used, that class will have to implement all the methods as being part of the interface. So interface helps in achieving multiple inheritance in C#. Now if I run this program, okay, there's some errors. Oh, I forgot to implement the main method. I'm going to create an object of, can I create an object of type vehicle? Let's see. See this error? We cannot. So we cannot, so an abstract type object cannot be created. But we can create an object of type truck with the reference of vehicle. And now this vehicle is of type truck. If I try to do the method accelerate, it, now if I change this to car, then I can, you see, this is the difference. Now since the reference type is vehicle, I am unable to call the method charge. So this is one more logic that we can see here. If I declare this as type as R, then only I can find my method as. Okay, so uh, just to brief everything that we have learned. Okay, so differences are that in abstract class at least one method needs to be abstract. In interfaces, all the methods needs to be abstract. In abstract class, we can have different accesses. Interface, we only can have default or public, and the, the abstract classes can only extend one abstract class, whereas we can implement multiple interfaces. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new.